We're making fish sticks, which sounds not that good. Baked fish sticks and asparagus. Wow, that doesn't hook you in. I don't know what will. This is the world's most passive-aggressive parchment paper. If you care, give me a guilt trip in the grocery store. What am I doing? So you want a dry hand and a wet hand, and I always mess this up. So you can pretend that you know what you're doing, and it's okay if you mess it up. Fish in cornstarch first, and then put it in the egg. I messed that up. Wait, wrong hand. This is the wet hand or the dry hand? I think I messed it up already. First piece of fish, already messed it up. Like I said, messed up the whole one hand wet, one hand dry. Join my club. Man, you know what? I'm just going to unabashedly embrace the fact that I'm going to have gluey fingers. I figured it out. This hand is only allowed to touch the dry breadcrumb. It's not allowed to touch anything else. Now we're done with the, what are these? The fish sticks. This is so fun, you guys. So fun. Put it in the oven.